Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making one of the all-time iconic summer desserts, s'mores. So while s'mores are traditionally made up of graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, today I'm going to be testing out 10 kind of weird things that are actually going to make perfect s'mores. And so today I have my homemade marshmallows. They're big and squishy and perfect for s'mores. I'll link this recipe in the description. So if you guys run out of graham crackers or you just want to level up your s'more game, try these unique and different s'more flavors this summer. First, we're making shortbread cookie s'mores with my brown sugar shortbread cookies. These cookies are half dipped in dark chocolate, and then I add milk chocolate and a toasted mallow. Next, I use my toasted coconut brownies, which was a bestseller at my bakery, along with a coconut chocolate bar for the ultimate toasty coconut s'more. We had to make a Pop-Tart s'more, so I'm using my favorite blueberry Pop-Tarts, but any flavor will work. I use white chocolate as it pairs better with the blueberry for a fruity s'more you're sure to love. My husband is obsessed with the Newman's Own organic Oreos, so we added peanut butter to cut the double chocolate cookie along with a toasty mallow for the ultimate s'more. If you love breakfast as much as I do, you're going to love these blueberry waffle s'mores using my homemade waffles and white chocolate. I love salty pretzels, so I'm adding them along with a salted dark chocolate bar. This combined with the toasted mallow is a sweet and salty dessert that is so delicious. This one was definitely the favorite. My eggless double chocolate cookies combined with homemade caramel sauce and toasted marshmallows. My husband said these are the best s'mores ever. If you were a peanut butter and fluff sandwich kid growing up, you're going to love this nostalgic twist with toasted whole wheat bread, peanut butter, and a drizzle of chocolate sauce combined with a roasted marshmallow. For the sweet and salty lovers, half dip your favorite potato chips in dark chocolate and use 2 on each side for more support. Then sandwich them together with a roasted mallow and it's pure heaven. And if you have fresh cherries this summer, slice them in half and arrange them into a square. Drizzle melted milk chocolate right on top and then freeze. Then you have the perfect cherry s'more. So I hope you guys enjoyed all the unique and crazy s'mores we've been making for the last 2 weeks. I'm kind of s'mored out. Drop me a comment and tell me which one you can't wait to try this summer. All recipes and products I use are linked in the description for you guys. And be sure to like and subscribe for more baking videos like this.